Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Dodge Durango Concept is a symphony of innovation and power, blending futuristic aesthetics with dynamic performance. Its striking black and white two-tone exterior commands attention, step by step. Up front, a bold grille with sleek LED headlights establishes its modern persona. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into muscular fenders, while the floating roofline adds a sporty touch. Finally, a rear adorned with sharp taillights and a robust bumper emphasizes its aggressive stance. Pros: daring design, excellent aerodynamics. Cons: bold styling may not appeal to traditionalists. Inside, the Durango offers a luxurious dashboard with a massive central touchscreen and ambient lighting. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching create an upscale feel. The cabin is spacious, with smart storage solutions. Pros: high-tech dashboard, exceptional comfort. Cons: over-reliance on touch controls may distract drivers. Performance-wise, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.2 seconds. With a top speed of 250 km/h, the hybrid electric engine delivers impressive efficiency. Consuming 5 liters per 100 kilometers, the battery range ensures seamless urban and highway driving. Pros: blazing speed, low emissions. Cons: limited electric range compared to some rivals. Priced at €70,000, it appeals to buyers aged 30-50 seeking a versatile SUV. Competitors include the BMW X5 and Tesla Model X. Recommended oil: synthetic 5W30. Change every 15,000 kilometers. Summary: the 2025 Dodge Durango Concept excels in design, comfort, and performance, making it perfect for tech-savvy adventurers. While rivals offer longer electric ranges, the Durango's blend of style and capability is unmatched.